Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna share with you this delicious and nice looking cake. As you can see, is a Twix cake. So I made this cake for my son's friend's birthday. He's 20 years old. Happy birthday, Yasin. So he asked for Twix cake and I tried to make it. So the first thing I'm gonna do here is the double cream. So I put 600 ml of double cream in the mixer here. So the cake, the chocolate cake, I already made it. So I have how to make it on my last video, not a last video, I think the video before that or something. Anyway, I'm gonna leave you the link. I'm gonna leave you the link in the description box. For the cream, it's only 2 ingredients. It's absolutely delicious and so easy. It's just double cream and Cadbury hot chocolate. That's it. That's the only thing you need. This one, Cadbury hot chocolate, and double cream. You don't need sugar, you don't need anything at all, just those 2 ingredients, and it comes out so nice and so easy to use, and it's absolutely delicious. So you just put the Cadbury powder, the hot chocolate powder, to the double cream until you're satisfied with the sweetness or whatever. Yeah, so what I'm using here, I'm putting the first layer of the cake. I'm gonna put a little bit of the cream. I'm gonna put a little bit of the cream. As you can see, so easy to spread and it's so easy to make as well. 2 ingredients, absolutely delicious. So yeah, so the other layer that I showed you before that is the biscuit. So I just blended on, made it to a powder. It's a shortbread biscuit. So as you can see, I'm gonna make like a small well in the middle, just so I can put the caramel. You can use homemade caramel, but this one is really nice and it's like easy to use as well and easy. So, and I'm gonna try to cover it up with the cream. So you can obviously use the piping bags. It will be easier to put it, but I was just feeling lazy. So you can do that, or you can put the cream in the piping bag. So covered all the caramel and just level it up a little bit. And the next layer is gonna be the biscuit. As I said, it's a shortbread biscuit, and I made it to a powder, and I'm just gonna put like a thick layer of it on top of the cream. That's it really. I'm gonna carry on with all the layers, so the cake, the cream, the caramel, and then the biscuit, and then keep going until I finish all the 4 layers. And I'm gonna cover the whole thing with a little bit of cream, just to keep everything in place, so that any crumbs or anything like that doesn't come out when I'm putting my ganache. And then I'm gonna put it on the fridge. So I mean, you don't need to put too much cream outside. It just to cover, as I said, the crumbs and stuff, so it doesn't come out. For the ganache, I used 300 grams of dark chocolate and 300 grams of milk chocolate, which makes it 600 grams, and I have 300 grams of hot cream. I made it hot in the microwave, and I just pour it over the chocolate. You can use the same chocolate, you don't have to mix it. I just wanted to mix it a little bit, so that's it really. So, and then when the chocolate melted, you just keep mixing it until you have the beautiful shiny ganache. And there you have the ganache. And I'm gonna keep it aside to cool a little bit more. And then I'm gonna start spreading the first layer. So I'm just gonna put a thin layer, the first one, and then put it in the fridge to cool down completely, and then and then put another layer. The ganache is always the cream, the chocolate is double the quantity of the cream, and if by any chance the ganache is still runny, just add a little bit more of chocolate, because sometimes especially white chocolate, it doesn't become thick quickly. And as I said before, I will leave you the link for my other video in the description box if you want to see how I made the chocolate cake. So I'll cover the whole cake with the ganache and then just use I don't know what is called this one, I totally forgot. Yeah, so just to level it up and remove any excess. And then as I said, I'm gonna put it in the fridge to cool down completely, and then I'll put another layer. There we go, so it's completely hard now, so I'm just gonna put another layer of the ganache. Sorry about it was really sunny in my kitchen, and you can see the sun is literally in the cake. So yeah, so I'm gonna put another layer of the ganache on top of it, and just also, if the ganache gets hard by any chance, just put it for a few seconds on the microwave and it's gonna go back to spreading, as you can see, very easy to spread. And then after I finish the whole thing, I'm just gonna use this one to just give it like a stripy design. Just press it, because the ganache gets cold quickly, so just press it to inside so it can show the design. And now I have some caramel. I put it in some piping bag, and I'm just gonna put like a drippings around the cake. It doesn't matter if it doesn't look perfect on the top, because we're gonna cover it with the cream. So the cream is gonna be the same one I used inside the cake, and I'm using this star one, is the big one. So I'm just from the side, from the outside of the cake to the inside, like I'm gonna go all around it, as you can see, around the whole cake. And then when I finish the whole all of it around it, and then I'm gonna go from the middle of the first one we did, and then again to the center of the cake. So keep turning the cake until you finish. It's like a flower really, and that's it. And then the middle, I took some twix and I'm gonna cut it. I cut it in half first, and then I cut it to quarters, like smaller pieces. and I just put them in the middle. I also use this gold glitter. I got this one from Waitrose for £3.50 I think, and I just kind of put them there mixed together. Some of them I had the glitter, some of them don't. And the last thing I'm gonna do is this happy birthday cake topper that I got from Amazon cake shop. This shop is really good. It's a happy 20th birthday Yasin, so you tell them exactly which color you want and what you want in the cake topper and they will send it to you. I think it's about £6 or something, £5.99. That's it really, that's the cake. I hope you like it. I hope you leave me a like and share the video. Thank you very much for watching. I will see you again soon. Bye.